Hi first grade. Today for math you're going to need your 95-2 packet. It starts with the worksheet with the line segments on it. You'll also need a pile of large paper clips and a pile of small paper clips, and a pencil. You can pause this video to get the things that you need, and then when you're ready you can press play again. Today we're going to learn how to estimate and measure the length of line segments using different sizes of paper clips. Let's look at number 1 here. We're going to measure this line segment by using large paper clips. How many paper clips do you think it will take to measure this line? When you first guess, this is called estimating. Before you measure, we are going to estimate how many paper clips we think it will take. I'm going to estimate that it will take 3 paper clips. Now we're going to see if our estimate is right. 1, 2. My estimate of 3 paper clips was too big because it only took 2 large paper clips to measure this line segment. So now that I see that our first line segment is 2 paper clips, I'm going to write 2 under the large column. So large paper clips, it took 2 to measure our first line. Now, if my guess or my estimate of 3 paper clips for the big ones was too big, I'm gonna keep my guess for 3 paper clips for my small paper clips. Let's see if 3 is the right amount for my small. Do this with me. Grab your paper clips and we'll measure together. 1, 2, 3. It took 3 small paper clips to measure this line segment. So my estimate of 3 paper clips for the small paper clips was correct. So I'm going to write 3 on the small column for number 1. If your estimate is correct, you can give yourself a little star. Okay, let's do number 2 together. How many big paper clips do you estimate will take to measure the second line segment? Okay, let's see if your estimate is correct. 1, 2, 3. 3 paper clips, 3 big paper clips measure the second line segment. So I'm going to write 3 at the bottom. And we're going to do the same thing with the small paper clips. How many small paper clips do you think it will take to measure the second line segment? Let's see if you're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to make sure that my paper clips are all touching and start at the very beginning. It looks like I have a paper clip that goes just over the line segment. I'm going to count this as 1. You could say 4.5, but I'm just going to say 5. Was your estimate of the small paper clips 5? If so, you can give yourself a star. And there's one more large line going diagonal. We're going to start by measuring it with the large paper clips. Four large paper clips. Was your guesstimate of 4 correct? Let's measure using the small paper clips. Six small paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small paper clips. Thanks for measuring along with me and estimating how many paper clips it takes to measure a line segment. Now, the other things in your packet is the written assessment 18 and the fact assessment 13. You can do one and then take a break and do the next one, or you can do them back to back till you finish them both right away. I want you to do the next two, the written assessment and the fact assessment, all by yourself. It can be easy to have a parent help you, but I want to see for this part, I want to see what you have learned, not what your parents have learned. So do this all by yourself, and when you're done, have mom or dad take a picture and you can upload it to Dropbox. For the written assessment, make sure that they take a picture of both the front. And there's no back, so just the front side will be fine. And good luck. Take your time. For the fact assessment, you do not have to time yourself. One more thing with this written assessment, if you would like to have a parent read the questions to you, that is just fine, but make sure that you are doing the problems all by yourself.